Professor AlgeBro. We stopped here. Professor AlgeBro was on a roll, but you know what to do when you're done. So we talked about complementary and supplementary, and I did my first problem with what we call complementary angles, where two angles add up to 90 degrees. That's the geometry. The algebra is plugging in what you know and solving for the unknown. So everybody has a picture of that in their minds, hopefully, or at least you watch the other videos. So I'm fixing to give you one that might hurt your head, but that's why I'm here. All right, so first things first, we're going to talk about finding the measure of ABD and DBC. Now, these two together add up to what type angles? Begins with an S, it's called supplementary. So here's my question. Given these values, I want to find X and the value of each angle, and you're going to go, no, but we have the basics down right now. There are some of you that can say, I got this, but remember, I showed you something earlier. The measure of ABD plus the measure of angle DBC equals 180. Do we all agree with that? Yes. Now, that's the geometry. Now, the algebra says, okay, guys, sub in what you know. So the measure of angle ABD, we're going to say is 2x plus 5. Okay? The measure of DBC is x minus 2. Now that we have the geometry out of the way, we're going to do the algebra. Okay? Now, first things first. Combine like terms. So 2x plus x is 3x. Negative 5 negative 5 minus 2 is 3. Now, here, we have a two-step equation. So we're going to subtract 3. Now, take 177 divided by 3, and you get. Now, some people go, oh, my answer is 59. No, Kimosabi, no. You now need to take your x and plug it into these two, and you go, oh, dude, that's going to take too much. I'll give you a shortcut. Let's take the easiest one, okay? So we now have the measure of angle DBC equals x minus 2. So watch this. We're going to take x minus 2, which is 59 minus 2, which equals 57. Now, instead of plugging this in here, you can say, okay, here's what I know. I know these two add up to 180, so I'm going to say x plus 57 equals 180. Subtract 57, and x equals 123. Oh, excuse me. So that would be the measure of angle ABD equals 123. No matter where you go, math is there. Later, dudes. AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.